Hello everyone, it's Lupe the Esthetician, and I wanted to review one of my favorite lash products to get these gorgeous lashes. And I'll tell you, about 2 years ago, or was it 1 year ago? I think 2 years ago, I got fake lashes, eyelash extensions, and they all fell off, and I had itty bitty tiny short lashes about this big. I was pulling them out. It was terrible. It was a bad experience, and I went to one of my friends that has gorgeous beautiful lashes. Her name is Jocelyn, and she introduced me to this fabulous product that I absolutely love, and I love so much that I started selling at Sphinx Spa Suite. And the product is GrandeLASH-MD. What is GrandeLASH? It is an eyelash serum that is award-winning. Look at how many awards they've won. Like, damn, they're on it, right? On here it says it's award-winning. It's a conditioner created with a blend of vitamins and peptides. So remember, vitamins and peptides, and amino acids. They plus conditioning ingredients to perform longer lashes in 4 to 6 weeks. Expect full results in 3 months. Okay, how do you apply it? You apply it on your eye. You close your eye, and when you wash all your makeup off and all that good stuff, you just put it on your eye just like this. Boom. Every single night, like you pray to Jesus every single night. This is what you got to do to your lashes every single night. All right, it comes in a tube like this. Boom, boom, boom. And in 3 months, you're going to have gorgeous lashes. I live by this product. All right, I've seen people's results. I want to show you how long my lashes are. If you guys can see in the white, let me move a little bit. Look at how long. And I've been using them for about 2 years now. And my lashes, I get this beautiful curl because I get them lifted. But these are all my lashes. And you can have lashes just like them that are super nice and long if you get GrandeLASH-MD. And if you have brows that are a little bit sparse, you can actually put them on your brows as well. So I definitely recommend this product. Another product that I like for them is their primer, which is absolutely my favorite thing to use underneath my mascara. It's a white primer. On here it says it's a white mascara. It has mini little fibers that help elongate your lashes, and you get instantly long results. So imagine you using this GrandeLASH, trying to get your lashes nice and long, and you don't got time for it. Well, you can just get the primer, use it every day with your mascara, and it's going to lengthen those lashes so they can be really nice. But I really love using this mascara that's blue, and the white primer, GrandeLASH, is the bomb.com, and I'll do a video showing you how to apply it and how it actually, you can actually see the difference in the lashes, one using the primer and one not. So get yourself some GrandeLASH. You can get it at Sphinx Spa Suite, or you can get it in a link. I'll put it down below. If this video absolutely helped you, can you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see when I get more videos. Thanks so much for following Lupe the Esthetician.